Hi guys, today we're going to fix some error. I've been struggling to fix this error for a couple of days, but now I managed to do it. And I decided to do a video. Maybe it could help somebody else who's been struggling like me. So the error says fatal error, uncaught exception with message FPDF error. Some data has already been output, can't send PDF file. So guys, this is a very simple thing to do, but the problem is, like, if you don't know, then you're gonna have a problem. So I'm having this error. I'm gonna refresh, still have it. So when you go to your code, go before this line, output line, type ob underscore, no, it's not on, it's gonna be ob underscore and underscore clean. Okay, this is a function, call it there, and you save. Once you save and you refresh, wow, the error is gone. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and you can ask any question if you have one, and share our content. Thanks for watching guys. We'll come back for the next video.